Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Akhand Mandalakaram Vyaptam Yena Characharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Wonderful. Jai Gurudev. How
Jai
is
Gurudev.
everybody? How are you? How is everybody doesn't mean anything. How are you is important. How are you?
Very nice. Thank you.
And next question after how are you? You can guess what's the next question after how are you? What is the next question?
This is
Huh?
how क्या? Are you there or it can be your
Very
own
close,
place?
very close. I was thinking of another question, but very close. Hold on. Why am I hearing? Say something again. Hello? Hello, hello, check.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now it's in my headphone. Before you were not in my headphones. Okay. So after how are you, the next question is who are you? Who are you?
मैं माता काली.
Mata Kali. Okay. Okay. Jai Mata Di. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali. Who
अच्छा
are
है हम
you?
जूम पे ये.
Huh?
अच्छा है हम जूम पे माता काली से दूर है. दूर से दर्शन कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा है Zoom पे. Yeah, yeah. Why you? So let us explore this question, which has been asked very often by so many of the great masters. Who are you? Who are you? कौन है आप? Who am I? Who are you? Who are you? So let us see if we can, even for 1 second, approach and experience this who that you are. एक सेकंड के लिए, कम से कम एक सेकंड के लिए हम समझ जाते हैं अनुभव के तौर पे कि हम कौन है, क्या है. Okay, so ready for this powerful journey into who-ness. तैयार है? Okay, great. Okay. तो एक्चुअली हाउ आर यू से पहले भी हु आर यू होना चाहिए. देन दैट हु यू आर उसको पूछेंगे हाउ आर यू. उसको, और उसको भी पूछेंगे वेयर आर यू, उसको पूछेंगे व्हाट आर यू, व्हेन आर यू, सब उसको पूछेंगे. पहले हाउ हु आर यू तो जाने कौन है वो तो समझे. Okay. So Meera ji is on the move again. Rocking. क्या? Going down for?
Walking. Going
Walking.
down for walking.
Walking.
Uh,
Okay, ठीक है. I can't hear you, but you are on mute.
Mr.
Burn
Purvi.
diya agarbatti and go down.
One agarbatti.
Yes, evening time.
You
Got
burn
late.
one
Evening
agarbatti
time
and
का
then go
अगरबत्ती
down.
वो करती है
Yeah.
हमेशा.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
So today I am also going to do something like that, lighting a candle and inviting
Angels are coming.
angels. Angels are coming to my house today. Is anyone interested in inviting angels? I will send them to you also.
You
From
have
here.
now 3 people.
No,
Already?
I have one, but one of the people that I invited, they are short for on their side.
So there is one person who wants angels.
Okay, fine. So,
I'll give you Rita's name.
okay, great. Anyone else wants to invite angels? You know what that whole thing is?
I
Everyone?
hosted them recently about some time back.
Very nice, wonderful.
Okay.
How was the
So-
experience?
Oh, very good. Huh? You'll feel very good.
Nilima
Huh?
can do it.
Huh?
I already invited na, that day.
That day you invited.
You did. You got
Yeah.
it.
You did,
I did.
okay.
Today
Purushottam ji.
at my place today
Today
they are
also
coming.
starting. अरे अपना
Yeah.
साथ में है.
Yeah.
Okay,
आपको कौन दे रहा है? पुरुषोत्तम
Pretty.
प्रीति. अच्छा.
okay, very nice.
आपके मॉर्निंग के साथ.
Great. चलो धूपम
Priti was thanking me
समर्पयामि.
today profusely.
मीरा जी के साथ धूप करते हैं सब मिलके. मीरा जी, turn your video around so we can offer together the dhoop. Dhoopam samarpayami.
This is my Tulsi, Ganga, and Mother Earth. I pray to all the rivers.
Tulsi Mata Dharti Mataye Namaha.
Okay, thank you. And
Wonderful,
I'll take you all
wonderful.
to my kitchen. I put
Yes.
it to Annapurna Mata.
Annapurna Mata. Wonderful.
Okay, that's my Annapurna Mata here.
Annapurne Sadapurne Shankaram Pranavallabhe Jnana Vairagya Siddhyartham Viksham Dehi Cha Parvati.
Wow, super. Now I light to my mandir where there I keep goddess Durga.
Okay.
Okay, so we are going there now. Okay, one moment.
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः. दुर्गा दुर्गति दूर करो. Durga Mata ki jai. Wonderful.
Thank you. Felt great doing Agarbati with all of you all. Thank you
Yes,
so much.
yes.
Uh,
Welcome. Our pleasure.
Giving you all this dupe with lot of blessings in
Thank
the
you,
evening
thank you,
time.
thank you.
Thank you. You all have
Thank
got the
you,
divinity
Meera.
within. Thank you.
Love
Thank
you.
Love you, love
All
you,
the
love
light
you
and
all.
love
Thank you, thank
love
you.
and joy to
Thank you,
everyone.
Meeraji. Thank you.
Thank you to you all also. Thank you for being a part of with me in this evening time.
Sure, wonderful.
That I put it to Buddha, one
Okay,
Agarbati,
okay.
to have love, peace,
Buddham
harmony.
Sharanam Gacchami. Sangam Sharanam Gacchami.
Okay, that I believe
Dhammam
in.
Sharanam Gacchami.
That's
Wonderful.
because of Master Shah. I believe I follow Master Shah a lot.
Wonderful.
So I see Buddha because of him.
Okay.
That's it. And that's in my son's room. Agarbati I keep. That's it. He studies
Great.
a lot over here. So that's it. And I'm going down.
Okay.
And I'll take you all down with me for a walk.
Sure. Okay. So,
Okay.
Very cute.
yeah, great. So, but okay, on the walk, you can keep the video off, but keep listening and following along. It'll be actually, the same. You can continue with the whatever process we are going to go through to meet ourselves. Who am I? Who are you? Who are you? मैं कौन हूँ? Okay, wonderful. So we are going to go through a process of just seeing who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Okay, great. So everyone except Naji can close their eyes. You can keep your eyes open, but rather than seeing objects, notice that whatever you are seeing is changing, continuously changing. Okay, just आंखें बंद करके बैठिए और we are simply going to let go of things, everything, one after the other. We are going to let go of it. जो भी हमारे अनुभव में आता है उसे हम बारी बारी छोड़ते जाएंगे. Imagine that you're walking in an endless Martian landscape. There is nothing except sand. And you're just walking. See how in just an instant you have dropped the place that you are in right now. You have dropped so many things to arrive at this place, walking alone on this endless sandy landscape. So we have dropped the places we are in. We can drop also we have dropped everything behind, all objects in our life we have dropped behind. Whatever you owned, your car, your house, your clothes, your companions, your friends, your relatives. See that it is doable, that you can just let them go and be alone in this sandy landscape where it is just you. So your wealth has been dropped, relatives have been dropped, all objects that you owned have been dropped because you can. It is possible to drop them. Therefore, we drop them. आंखें बंद ही रखिए. It is possible to drop them, so we have dropped them. We have dropped looking because our eyes are closed. Right now, as you're walking in this landscape, you're not eating anything, there is no plant, there is no object, there is nothing to smell. So smell also can be dropped, taste can be dropped. You're not touching anything, so touching can be dropped. If the sense of touch can be dropped, then what evidence is there of the existence of the body itself? You cannot touch it, you cannot see it, you cannot feel it. So even the body has been dropped. There is no body, yet you are there. In this sandy landscape, you are there. All that remains is this awareness and the sound of my voice. Let the earth and the landscape also drop away below you, because that can also be dropped. It is not essential for you, and therefore it can be dropped. Whatever is not essential, we drop. So for the next So what about what is left? There seems to be time left. Maybe time is left. If you are simply there and nothing is there other than you, the whole concept of time itself is not essential. There is nothing there. Time and change are connected. If nothing around you is changing, time means nothing. So time can also be dropped. because it is not essential. Thoughts can be dropped, not essential. Beliefs can be dropped, not essential. Opinions can be dropped, not essential. Time has been dropped. All objects, all people, the entire world of things, objects, people, relationships, everything which can be dropped has been dropped. Look at, for the next 2 minutes, I will be silent so that even this sound of my voice, which is not essential, can also be dropped. And simply be with whatever is left after even this last bit of experiencing also goes away, which is listening to my voice. So we drop that and just simply be with whatever that is which is left. Now ask yourself the question, whatever is there right now, which is left, when everything that can be dropped has been dropped, can I drop this also? Is it possible? Just like you dropped all your objects, all your money, all your knowledge, all your opinions, you were able to let go of it very easily. For the time being. But now see whether you can drop this which is left. Is it possible to drop this knowing, this peace, this awareness, which is yet remaining? this which cannot be dropped. When everything that can be dropped is dropped, what is left is this stillness, this peace, this source, this presence. If you were to ask this presence, how is it? If you ask this presence, where are you? If you ask this presence, what are your qualities? If you ask this presence, where do you begin? If you ask this presence, where do you end? If you ask this presence, when did you begin? If you ask this presence, when did you end? If you ask this presence about love, what answer do you get? If you ask this presence, how far are you from I? What answer do you get? If you ask this presence, how separate are you from I? What answer do you get? If you ask this presence about what is possible, what answer do you get? If you ask this presence about energy, what answer do you get? If you ask this presence about creativity, what answer do you get? If you ask this presence, what is, say your own name in your mind. So I would say, what is Sanjeev made of? What is the distance between this presence and Sanjeev? And instead of Sanjeev, say your own name. Ask this presence whether there has ever been, and there ever will be any distance, any obstacle between Sanjeev and this presence. And now slowly allow this presence to take on the ability to hear. Allow presence the ability to feel the body and to feel sensations. Allow presence to wear this you that you are. Allow presence the awareness of eyes, ears, smell, taste, ability to act, ability to move, all the 10 indriyas that we possess. Return all 10 to you, to presence. And return to presence all that you possess, so called possess, that is in your environment, under your control.
But you know, I don't like it. Oh, like that.
Return to presence, knowledge, memories of the life that you have led. Return to presence, your beliefs, your opinions, your thoughts, your relations, your friends, your surroundings, your neighborhood, this world, the sun, the moon, the stars. And now allow presence, invite presence to feel the texture of your hands as you rub them, and the texture of your face as you touch it. And now invite presence to see this world that you have created around you. And now say hello to all the presents present. The presence that you are. I salute, I bow down to that which is sitting in your place. Sitting in your place, being you, thinking you, feeling you, seeing through you, hearing you so beautifully, so effortlessly, so naturally, experiencing all that life has to offer. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Great. Good. So a long answer to the question, who are you? Uh, so any insights, any learning, any understanding, any questions, anything to share about whatever journey we just went on?
It's very different experience, very different experience,
Yeah,
dropping everything.
yeah,
And when you don't have one minute, I have the insecurity because I don't have anything in that time,
right,
right? Nothing is there in my hand. And we,
right.
forgot about taste, drop everything.
Yeah,
Then afterwards, then I feel relaxed, and whatever you are telling, I'm going. I'm just continuity walking. But it
yeah.
is very different experience. I think we have to repeat this session because it's very difficult to understand. When you are thinking, we don't think this type of the things.
Yeah,
Dropping our all the things is something like that. We don't have anything now. Nothing is there.
nothing is there. Nothing is there, yet you are there. That is the
Yet,
thing.
yeah,
Yet you are
yeah.
there. So when I ask the question, can you, after you have dropped all this, whatever is left, is it possible to drop that? What did you feel? Cannot,
No, no,
cannot
that was
drop it.
not possible.
It cannot be dropped.
Yeah.
There is no such thing as dropping what
Oh,
that,
oh. At
huh?
that time, who will drop what? Who will drop
Sorry?
whom?
Huh?
At that time, उस समय में ऐसा था कि कौन किसको ड्रॉप करने वाला है.
कौन किसको क्या ड्रॉप करेगा? कोई है ही नहीं, कुछ ड्रॉप
Yeah.
करने के लिए ही कुछ नहीं है.
Yes.
So when everything that can be dropped is dropped, what is left is the essence of who I am, is the essence. That emptiness, that. So cannot, that which cannot be dropped is that. What else? So it was scary, you're saying, and you can repeat. Yeah, we have recorded it, so you can listen to it again. Yeah,
I want to
unfortunately,
share.
the medium is there. So the medium of sound is there to communicate this journey and this process. But for some time, I even dropped the instructions so that you could simply just be. So
I want
what
to
did you
share.
feel at that point? Did you feel scared or okay?
Stillness.
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 Yeah, stillness.
That was a wonderful state.
A wonderful
Most
state. There's,
most wonderful state.
yeah, because what
Liberated.
liberated, right? What can you
Liberated.
be if if you're saying I'm afraid, what would you be afraid of? Because you've dropped everything. So what would you be afraid of? There is
When you
nothing
told,
to be. Huh?
जब आपने बोला कि ड्रॉप दिस
Yeah,
तो हर बार ऐसे लग रहा था कि कुछ तो भी और हल्का 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 हल्का
halka
हल्का
halka
हल्का होते जा
halka.
रहा है और
Yeah,
आखिर
yeah,
में जब एक इतना लाइट होते गया आखिर में ऐसा लगा कि कुछ भी नहीं है, बस
कुछ-
एक स्पेस है जहाँ कुछ
Right.
भी नहीं है।
Right.
बाद में जब आपने बोला कि कम बैक टू ये वो, तो तब अंदर से रेजिस्टेंस आया कि क्यों लाना है वापस,
Good
सब नहीं चाहिए
point.
मुझे।
Yeah,
क्यों नहीं रहना
yeah.
है? क्यों रहना है?
ये मुझे
Yes.
नहीं चाहिए।
Very
ये सब
interesting. Very interesting insight. Yeah. You feel the burden.
यस,
You know, you feel the burden that you've taken on by taking this physical form. You feel the weight of your body, the weight of your knowledge, the weight of your opinions, the weight of your
बिलीव से
past, the weight of all this that we carry around with us. So much, it feels like a burden. Zarurat hi kya hai iska? Very, very interesting. Very interesting.
ऐसे एक एक लेयर निकलता है, one
Yeah.
layer is dropping when we walk, one layer we are dropping down.
Just dropping,
So
dropping
just
behind in the path.
dropping behind the path, and we are just
Dropping.
walking. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. This is the state, like, you know, like when Mahavir Swami was doing his tapasya in the forest, and he left the palace, right? He was a prince. When he left the palace to seek the truth, so the the ornaments dropped away. They kept on removing all the things that he was carrying, and the crown, and just dropped away. And whatever top cloth he had, somebody was there looking for the cloth. He just offered him the cloth and kept walking until there was just his, the what he was wearing. One piece of cloth was all that was left, and that got caught on one plant, on a thorn, and he just kept walking and let it go. And so the Digambar Avastha, Disha jiska ambar hai, the state of that happened as a result of letting go. Just letting go, and this dropped away. Not that you taking off your clothes. It dropped away from him, because that was no longer needed, no longer required. So that journey we continue, not just with clothes, but everything, and just slowly. Yeah, right. So क्यों चाहिए ये सब? ऐसा अनुभव हुआ. I also had the very same thought. And how about all the questions we asked of presence, about the qualities of presence? What answers did you get when you asked presence about love? What is
Expansive.
expansive? Yeah.
When you ask about love, तो क्या कहते हैं, वो फीलिंग ऑफ लव और ज्यादा डीप होगा. तो मतलब ऐसा लगा कि मैं वो लव ही तो, और क्या हूँ.
I am love, not
Love,
that
yes.
I do love, or I
No,
give love,
yes.
or I take love, or I receive love. ऐसा नहीं.
नहीं.
I am that. What
No,
else is
that-
there? I am that love.
Yes.
Wonderful. Great. Rajesh, what thoughts, insights, understanding, observations, comments, questions?
Yeah,
Avinash,
same thing.
Miraji, everyone, one line, chalo.
Feeling very light, और
Yeah.
वो स्थूलता छोड़ देते हैं, यानी
Yeah.
सॉलिड स्टेट में से we move to nobodiness.
Yeah. Nothingness, emptiness.
Nothing. So this is practical again.
Yeah, practical, experientially going through that process instead of just theory. Avinash, bolo.
Yeah, same thing, like nothingness. So one of the thing that I was running in my back of the mind, that this chatter putter mind, like chatter behind, the second mind is always working. So that is not required. Yeah. We are like nothing means, that worry of that chatter putter sound is always going, at least for few seconds, few minutes, we are out of that. Yeah, that feeling was awesome.
Correct. Because it's not required. You can drop it. It's possible to drop it.
Yeah.
That chatter. Somebody said, Lopa, I think, sent a very nice quote today. Worrying is a waste of imagination. What a waste of imagination worrying is. Great. Who else? One line. Chalo, everyone. Pratibha Ben, one line. about?
I cannot say anything because I am at my therapy center waiting for my medical transport.
Okay.
So I have not done that.
Okay, no problem. Chalo,
Okay.
Sonal, or whoever, Jaisukh Bhai, Meera ji, Jai Shri ji,
Jai
Milind,
Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev. Haan.
Sir, I joined little late, but whatever I got,
Yeah.
like that you are guiding on that particular moment,
Yeah.
it was like I have gone in that Sukshma Sharir,
Correct.
Chinmay Murta Swarup.
Correct. Correct.
Nobody
Correct.
knows. There
Nobody
are
knows.
two types, Mrunmay and Chinmay.
Right.
So Chinmay is a Sukshma Sharir, and I thought that I'm really nobody, dropping everything, and nothing is left with me. And it was a very lightest feeling of my life.
Beautiful.
Thank you so
Beautiful.
much.
Beautiful. And this is who you are. This is
I
your
know.
real, this is the essential you.
I know.
Yeah, this is you. It is not somebody else. When you ask yourself, what is the distance between, say, Avinash and presence, what answer did you get? What is the distance between you and presence?
So it was like for me, it was not a distance at all. Like I was
Exactly.
walking,
There is no distance. There is no
like
separation.
my foot, my both the legs and my shadow, it's one and the same. There was no
Exactly.
distance at
No
all.
distance at all. No
Yeah,
distance, no separation, no
yeah,
obstacles.
yeah.
Beautiful.
And I like the
Okay.
story of Mahavir. It
Yeah,
was really wonderful.
correct, correct.
And
Wonderful.
if you can repeat the meaning of Arihanta also, it is related to this only.
Yes, yes, yes. Arihant, no, Namo
Ah,
Arihant. Arihant,
ah,
Arihant, one who has overcome all the enemies.
Yes.
exactly.
Ari means enemy, Arihant. You have defeated all the enemies, overcome all the enemies of the mind. And what are the
Yes.
enemies? The enemies are the ones that prevent you from seeing the truth. That is the
Right.
only enemy in the whole universe that has any meaning. Every other enemy you can love. This one enemy you overcome. And how you overcome? By seeing, by looking.
Yes.
Whatever is preventing you from seeing the truth, you overcome by simply seeing. Pratyabhignya, self-reflection, looking at yourself. The whole world is in fact a reflection.
So
This
I did
magical
that also. Namo Arihantanam in that.
Right, right, right.
Jai Guru.
Wonderful. Anyone else?
Yes.
हाँ वो जयसुख भाई बोलो.
Good experience.
Hmm.
No body, no places, no car, no outside property,
Correct.
and perfect good experience. Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, great, great.
Yes,
So
my
now,
experience,
हाँ,
I would also like to share. When
sure,
you
sure.
said drop, and then at one scene, when you said now you're with the presence, and that time the current went. I left my body and there was no current. So it was totally pitch dark over here. And I was for 1 minute wondering where I am. It was
Fantastic.
dark
What a
there,
beautiful
dark here.
coincidence.
Very big coincidence. So I was like, in another world only for a moment because it has never been in Bombay like this, pitch dark.
Right. Wow.
So plus there also pitch dark when I left my body.
Right.
So
Right.
I was all by myself, left alone. I didn't know
Fantastic.
what to do because when you said now leave my voice also.
Right.
So that part was a little difficult because when I left my car, it was somebody I had something to cling on to.
Yeah.
But then when you said leave my voice
Voice
also,
also.
I was like alone, and then it became dark.
Right.
Oh,
Wow.
I said, what's this experience? So then I walked through the whole journey. It was
Hmm.
lovely. It was a very light feeling because you're
Right.
carrying hazard things on our head,
Correct. Correct. Correct.
To drop
Correct.
was, for 1 minute, it was difficult for me. But then
Right.
a wonderful feeling after the meditation,
Beautiful.
Wonderful feeling.
Great,
Thank
great.
you.
No, so now
Thank you.
the exercise and the challenge and the next step
Hmm.
is to bring this presence which you know you are,
Hmm.
bringing that into this world that you are seeing and then interacting with, bringing the qualities. I asked you all the qualities of presence:
Hmm.
the accepting nature, the lovingness, the okayness,
Hmm.
the openness, the infiniteness,
Hmm.
the eternalness, the
Hmm.
all those qualities that you saw it. It is not some theory now.
Hmm.
You asked and you saw that, yeah, it is really like this, like an open space. There's nothing, no resistance to anything.
Hmm.
And it is love itself. So now this, knowing this, bringing those qualities into your interactions, into your presence, into your being, into your business, into your activity. This is the next step. Because and the reverse step also that we did was also something different that you experienced, that we are taking on all these, like putting on headphones, putting on equipment, putting on a helmet, putting on gloves. ऐसा जैसे हमें अनुभव हो रहा है. Putting on this body is like putting on all this gear. Now you have put on this gear, but what is your job? Are you going to act according to the clothes that you wore, or according to the person, the being that is inside the costume? Who will you be? Who will you act as? Who will you speak as? You will speak as who is living inside that costume, isn't it? And now you know who is inside that costume. So being that, living that, loving that, expressing that. What about creativity? What answer did you get about when you asked presence about creativity?
I got a very funny answer. Sorry if I'm sharing it in the group. That next birth I will be a master chef. I don't know why I got this answer. Why not
Okay,
this birth? Why did I have to project till next birth? I was
next birth.
wondering
Chalo,
why.
theek hai. But
Why?
what is the creative quality about presence itself?
No, that didn't come.
No, but did you find any limits to its creativity? Is it have the potential to create absolutely anything?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Anything.
Yes,
anything
Anything.
is possible.
that's what I said.
Anything is
Expansive. It
possible.
was very expansive.
Expansive. Anything is possible. Infinite creativity. So these are your qualities. तो अभी उसको बाहर एक्सप्रेस करना है, ज्यादा और ज्यादा और ज्यादा और ज्यादा, जहां तक हो सके, जैसा हो सके, जितना हो सके, हर एक पल में, हर एक चीज में, हर एक every interaction, every person. See how all these qualities that you now know about yourself, how these qualities, different qualities, can be expressed and put into this world. That is the sadhana, and that is the challenge, and that is the fun, that is the excitement. Like when you go skiing, you have to put on ski boots, you have to put on mittens, gloves, cap, all this. Why? So you can have the fun of skiing. Otherwise, why put on all these things? So now you put on all these things, but you are the one who is going to enjoy skiing, and you are the one who is going to enjoy this life.
ये पुनः प्रवेश है क्या?
Punah Pravesh,
Pravesh.
Punah Pravesh. Knowing who you are, Punah Pravesh into the world. Wonderful. Great. So tomorrow we have a SSY Satsang is there. I'll post the link. It's at 7:30 to 9:30, I think. But tomorrow we are going to go into this. You have heard the topic, I don't know. The problem is not the problem. The topic is, what's your problem, yaar? That's the topic. What's your problem, yaar? So we had done a little bit of what we are going to cover tomorrow. We done it on Open Door a few days ago. So it may be a little bit of a repeat, but you can do it anew and enjoy it like fresh. Okay, so inviting everyone there tomorrow, 7:30, and then we will meet on Open Door as usual at 8 on Saturday. Okay, great. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat.
एक बात बोलनी थी।
हाँ,
आज एक बहुत ही स्ट्रांग डिजायर हो रही है मेरी अभी
एक
आपके
ही?
साथ। मुझे एक बहुत स्ट्रांग डिजायर हो रही है आपके साथ 3 दिन रहना है मुझे कहीं तो भी।
Acha, you know what? I've been thinking about this for a few weeks now. That as soon as this vaccination thing is all in and we are all safe to be together, we will go and spend 3 days in some beautiful location together.
Wow.
We found
And-
the location also.
And we found
Thank
one
you, thank you,
location
thank
also.
you.
And we have
Yes.
found the
Thank you.
location also.
So as soon as we are all in a position to be together safely, we will definitely, it is on my mind. It is going to be wonderful.
No, no,
We will-
why wait? If you all are okay, my Samdan's farmhouse is nearby only. We'll go immediately. Whoever is ready to come. It's very hot.
Sanjeev ji won't be ready to
Very
come.
hot.
It's very
It's like
warm,
you
whatever.
you want to be, it's you want to be tandoori chicken, you can come tomorrow. But I'm inviting
I'm
you.
vegetarian, but that's
He's a
okay.
vegetarian.
So, but
It's a very beautiful place if you all want to
great,
come.
great. No, I saw a glimpse of it on one of those videos.
Yes, on
that
the
we-
videos.
yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's very beautiful. There are many places wherever. And anyway, actually, just being together in this oneness.
Yes, only your
that
singing,
that is
Manoj ji,
the thing.
Sanjeev
The
ji,
place hardly will.
aapka singing, yeah, it's
The
only your
place will not
presence
matter so much. But I just want to make sure we are all in a
together.
safe state. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So good.
Thank you.
It's on my mind.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Wonderful.
okay.
Thank you.
Take
Thank
care.
you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.